This is a diary. This is a pen in my hand. I want to write it down every single mistake that I am making while I am creating content. So, point out the mistake that I am making in this process. You will have to watch this video till the last because I'm making content since 2 years. I'm not getting any results from here, like no views, no subscribers, no likes. And as you know, everybody on this platform who is working to get views, but I'm not getting anything. So that's why today I decided that I will ask the mistake that I'm making while I'm filming the video. So tell me the mistake that I am making, the way I'm speaking, where I just need to improve, where I just need to work hard to get better. I wanna each and every single things from you that the way I'm speaking, it might be not good. So point out there where I am making mistake. I am talking in front of camera. My eye contact is good or not while I'm speaking in front of camera, my eye contact were always with camera or not. So these all things you will point out because I'm alone in this room and no one's around me to tell me the mistake that I am making. So that's why I decided today that I will ask to you the mistake which I am making and where I have to do improvement. So let me just tell you a story. 2 days ago, I was going to market with my best friend. So we both were excited to visit the market because we haven't went there for 2 years. So it was really excited day for us. So we both went to the market. Then we first meet one another friend of mine. We were reading together in fourth class. So it's been almost 15 years later today. So we were just talking each other. They both were just making fun of each other, the mistake we have did in our past. So we were talking about that, the moments we lived together. So we all were talking about that things. And then I remember one thing that was very interesting that I really wanted to tell them, that this was the things that was so funny and everybody were included in that. Everybody just stayed together to make that fun so funniest. What happens, there was a old man who was just sitting on the pool, and there were we were three friends over there just talking through. So we just did some naughty things with that guy, and they were just so you know angry at us. They were just trying to tell us abuse things is, and we just run away from there. I don't know why, but that day was really interesting. You might just pass through this situation of your life. You might disturb some of the old man in your village, in your area. So remember that things. Really, it was so interesting. When you recall that moments now, automatically a smile will come on your face. You will start smiling, just relaxing. There was a mood like no stress, and we just doing that things. So in this story, telling techniques, tell me where I make mistake, from where I should start. I have to improve my tone or improve some other things like techniques, that my pitch. Sometimes I speak slow, sometimes I speak fast. So where I have to improve myself, and that's what I'm just asking to you, because I know that you are the one who gonna point it out that where I'm making mistake, because no one's watching me and you are watching me right now. So it might be obvious thing that you will tell me where I am making mistake. 2 days ago, I was thinking I'm not writing a script. But guys, what happens when I write a script and try to speak that in front of camera? There was not realness on my face. A scary face always I hold. I don't even speak clearly. Sometimes I speak then I thought I should speak this line from this line. So there was a scariest things inside of me. I always scare stress in my head, and I was not speaking openly. So I decided that I will speak randomly on any topic, and that should be valuable, because I know that if I'm not providing any value to you, how you will watch me? Is it? Yeah, think of it. If you are watching someone and they were not providing you any value, then how you will watch them? Why? This is the obvious question that everybody will ask. To be honest, if I'm watching someone and they were not giving any value to me in my life, then I will stop watching them. Hmm. So my notebook and pen in my hand, and I'm waiting for your comment where I am making mistake. And that's the exactly things that matter the most. And that's why I'm here and just wanna take a genuine review to all of you. Just give me a genuine that would be authentic and real mistake that I'm making in this video.